money. I see all of them. They have my name, God over. God over, Italawa. God over, Italawa. Now money don't finish. I don't see anybody. Why now? Why now? Then they call me for street, God over, Italawa. I don't get car. I'm a sorry baby moto. I'm a sorry baby anywhere to man low. I'm a sorry baby moto. One that don't call me long pay. I'm a sorry baby moto. Baby anywhere. Baby long. No, I don't spend money finish. You where you there with me? Where money there? Where you there?
Stop giving people financial support thinking you are helping them. You know they help them. You only they expose them to future mockery, and you they damage their future, and that thing later go feel turn to go feel lead to depression later in their life. When Whiskey give this boy this money, God over, I advise Whiskey, but he looked down on me, pour spit for my face. I tell her that time, I say, this money when they give this boy, the chances of this boy losing this money is very, very high. But he not take my advice. And now what happen now? The boy never lose the money. Now so life be. Financial advice, what would they give financial advice? We know they give advice from a place of emotions and sentiment. At the end of the day, many of them they give temporary solution to this, but and they give you solution will be say go fix solve that thing permanently. The moment now very very simple something. The moment you know they place person will be say highest money we don't see for a life before now 5 million naira. The moment they give that person 20 million naira, you don't place them, you don't give a responsibility way they beyond them. And naturally and the way it be without financial education, the normal thing that person go do now how to get more liabilities. That time you buy mama car. Imagine you no get source of income, money one that person give you, you carry that money go they buy your mama car. How you want to maintain that car for your mama when that 20 million don't finish? Because the right thing you're supposed to do that moment was to go into investment or go into business. But the first thing what that guy do, he go buy liabilities where he no need. You know they check what you know they lack for a life before, and another time you know say you no get car, another time you know say you no they stay better apartment, and another time you know say he get from not look nice, he want buy nice things. He must lose the money because he not get the experience to handle that responsibility. I talk these things, but Nigerians, when not they value good people. You know understand? Go check right from time. All the people be say celebrities don't give money before. How many of them don't become successful? Where those two girls where Rema give 2 million naira for a show for Edo State, they don't lose the money. Where they are they successful? Where the 100 million naira we don't just give a very dark man, has he become successful with the money? No. Then all those people don't just they always they give money, give a word always. How many of them don't become successful with that money when they don't give them? None of them. Then I see who again? Many of them. That girl where the video give 1 million naira data where the video call follow. Where we say the girl they eat food, abi where they create some kind of content, where the video say you like the girl content, you follow the girl back, go give the girl 1 million naira. Where that girl did, that girl don't become successful with that money. No, it has never helped in any way. Giving people financial support, you're only exposing them to future mockery. And the moment we be saying now, the full world already know, the full Nigeria knows sir, the video gives so person money. You know understand? Now what did that don't happen? So Burna Boy don't give that boy money, 40-something million naira. Everybody already knows say they don't help that boy now. The moment and that boy, the chance of him losing that money, I don't they talk this thing again. No, few years from now, come back again. This video is a reminder. Few years from now, come back again. That boy will still lose that money. Not beside the wish and bad now. Financial education. It must start through. See the test. Go for the test of time. You go see come back to this video. Say, Gege talk this thing before. That boy go lose that money because he not get the experience it takes to handle the responsibility. Money na responsibility. You don't know. So now you don't give that boy that money now. Everybody already says, Burna Boy don't help this one. No. Later in the future, if that boy not become successful with that money, people go mock and say you not get destiny. You will be saying they don't help so person, Burna Boy don't help you. You not fist blow. You don't go fist blow for life again. That will go feel it to depression for that person life. But when we say things like this, many of them they miss out with sentiment and emotions. But at the end of the day, my word will start true. I know they give my opinion because of what people want to talk. And they give my opinion the way it be. I don't give temporary solution to things. I will give you what you go fix solve that problem finally. Nobody for this country need financial help. They don't need financial support. They need financial education. Because without financial education, if you like give the person 1 billion, you go still lose the money. You know understand? So I don't know what they coming from on our side, but for this side they call me the best financial coach in Africa. If you watch this to this level, write my name in capital letter. You don't understand? No worry. A time is coming. You go see, you go clear. Opue.
Like and subscribe.